Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another video only here on Telculp Guy. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add Meta AI in your chat, in group chat or individual chat in your WhatsApp. So, how to do this is basically you just have to open any individual or group chat and then type at, and then in the message field, just click Meta AI. Or you can type at and then input or type in Meta AI. If prompted, read and accept the terms, and then you can now type your prompt, click on the send button, and AI's response will be displayed in the chat. So it's just that easy. And to reply to AI, just click on the arrow down button and then reply, and then type your message and then send it. That's it. Again, this can be done either through individual chats or group chats. Hope we were able to help you out on this, on putting or in placing Meta AI or using Meta AI in your WhatsApp application. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and subscribe button. We will be posting more videos only here on Telculp Guy.